Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. Rather quiet at the moment, the Nasdaq market, the Nasdaq chart. We've had an initial break below this trend line here on the chart, which possibly marked the beginning of the fourth wave. Remember, so far we can only identify a three-wave rally from the low, so from the 19th of February low. The rally has only been in three waves so far, and it looks like a diagonal. You know, the wave one is a three-wave move, the wave two as well, the third wave as well, even though you could count that as an impulse, but you can't in wave one. So it is, it looks more like a diagonal pattern. But remember what I said to you about the different Natgas charts. There are so many. I would not try to really look for absolute precision when it comes to the Elliott wave structures on the Natgas chart on the smallest time frames. It doesn't exist because there are just too many different Natgas charts, and you know which one is correct, right? It's so we can identify tendencies, but I wouldn't try to use the Natgas chart to identify Elliott wave patterns on the, I don't know, 15-minute charts. Not so helpful. Yeah, quick reminder, it is possible that the long-term low has formed here in February, but to really get a first confirmation for that, I need to see a five-wave pattern to the upside. At the moment, it's a potential, it's a possibility, but we want to see five waves up because they will be the first confirmation from an Elliott wave point of view that really a long-term low is in. At the moment, we have three waves. I am going to watch for a fifth wave as long as we're holding the orange support area. And that area is defined between $2.69 and $2.06. So at the moment, this is not really a healthy fourth wave, which is played out here. Therefore, I'm watching actually before we go higher for a more substantial wave 4 correction. At least it's due. It looks to me as if it might have started, okay, but I need a little bit more evidence. So if the next rally stays below the $3.17 high, then I would call that the B wave with a C wave down to come. And then depends on how it looks. It could be that this is only going to be the A wave of the fourth wave, but maybe it's already the entire fourth wave. That will depend on the reaction to the support area, how it looks and everything. For now, we don't really have enough structure on the micro level when we look at this, okay? All that has happened so far was a break below the trend line, which has, you could say, maybe 3 touch points. If you count this one here on the 8th of July, 31st of May, then we have 3 touch points and broke it. I don't know if it might do a retest or so, or we just see a little bit of a counter reaction after the initial decline. Either way, we're still holding above the support area. So overall, further rising prices in this structure possible. But if the price rallies directly from here, then it's possible that we get another extension in wave 5 of C. I think this could be interesting from a reward to risk point of view for a long trade if we get deep into the wave 4 support area, or after we have 5 waves up, then to look for the correction, because after an initial 5-wave move up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we can say, okay, this is the first confirmation that really a long-term low has been established. After 5 waves, this 5-wave move should be corrected in an ABC structure. And then we can add the next support area here. The thing is, after 5 waves, we have the probabilities on our side. Until then, this is only a 3-wave move, and it is very likely that we also make another low. I hope that's clear. At the moment, we're just in observation mode. Okay, can we produce 5 waves up? And at the moment, it's only 3. So that requires a little bit more patience. Will take a bit more time before 5 waves possibly appear here on this chart. But as I said, the main support area is clear on the chart. It's defined below $2.06. Below $2.06, I will assume that that 5th wave to the downside has actually started, and it would most likely send us below the February lows. Okay, if we see another extension in the 3rd wave to the upside, which is possible, but is already very much extended, then the next resistance will be around $3.38. $3.38 is here. the 50% retracement and the previous swing high. And then this previous swing high as well at $3.66. Not much more to add, really. I mean, we're just sort of let's say in observation mode, you could say. Further upside extensions possible, absolutely, but I would at the moment rather see this rally as a B wave. Okay, as a B wave, but it clearly has put some kind of a low in place, even if it's just a local low. So a local uptrend is unfolding. That means it takes a first micro 5-wave pattern to the downside then to indicate that this wave C has started. It's a bit difficult to say because this is too small really to identify any structures. But if this is a B wave to the upside, then we could say, okay, maybe this is a small ABC within that B wave. And that means, but this is, again, just to give you an idea, unreliable micro counting now. Then we can say, okay, if we get a break below here, circle B at 285, 286, that could be an indication that this C wave down has started. Against that level, the focus could be on higher. Let's see. Yeah, that's the update about Natgas at the moment. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out the stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.